back to my channel. So today's video is on this gold wine fall eye look, and it's using the Makeup Revolution Emily Noel The Wants palette. Also for my lid shades, the Colourpop Mar palette. I recently just got those two palettes in the mail this past week, and I thought I'd go ahead and play around with some looks, and this is what I came up with. I seriously love this look. I love like the fall and winter time. But without further ado, if you would like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already have my foundation and my brows on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the NYX eyeshadow base to prime my lids. Now going into the Makeup Revolution The Wants palette by Emily Noel. I'm going to take the shade The Cream and set down that primer. Now going into the Party Animal palette, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of that Drinks shade, like the tiniest bit, and I'm just gonna place that as part of our transition shade because we are gonna mix in some other colors, but I do want more of a brighter orange also as our transition. Okay, so after we have the drink shade down, I am gonna go in to, I'm gonna take a little bit of Midwest. Shade I'm going into is, I'm gonna dab into Love Tons and Cheer, more of Cheer, and then I'm gonna place that in my crease, but a little lower than the Midwest and Drinks shade. When I originally thought of this look, I wanted to do like a cranberry wine all over my lid and then like orange in the crease. But then I also recently got the Colourpop Mar palette, so I wanted to use this one as well, and this is the look I came up with when I was doing it earlier today, and I love the way it turned out. So going back with a brush that has that drink shade already, I'm just helping blend out these edges. Now going into the shade Pie-Fi, which is this like darker purple shade. I'm gonna focus that really precisely in our crease and like on our outer V area. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my lid. I'm gonna skip filming this only because I do it so much on camera. So now that we have the lid cut, I'm gonna go back in to the shade Cheer, which is that red wine shade. And I'm gonna pack that right where the outer V and the concealer meet and just blend that. This is just gonna help give us like a gradient effect. Now going into the Colourpop Mar palette, I'm taking the shade, I think it's called Sorbet, which is like this orangey gold shade. And I'm just tapping that right into the center. And I like to use tapping motion so that it blends better with the wine color. We're not going all the way in, we're just gonna focus that in the middle of our lid. Then I'm going into the shade Detour, which is like this peachy gold shade, and that's gonna go into the inner part of the eye look. Now going into the Pie Fi shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and define the crease a little more. Then for my outer corner, I'm gonna take the shade Top Down, which is this dark brown in the shade, and we're gonna place that in our outer V. Now I'm just going back in with the shade Cheer and just touching up those colors. I'm gonna take a tiny bit, just a tiny bit of the Drink shade, just to help bring back some of that warmth from the orange to tie into our lid shade, and this is also gonna help with the blending. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply a wing liner. And I'm taking my NYX matte black liner. I'm just gonna tight line and apply a coat of mascara. For my lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with the shade Cheer. Then a little bit of Pie Fi on the outer end. Just add a coat of mascara to the bottom lash line. Now to highlight our brow bone and our inner corner, I'm going to take my Nika-K Perfection highlighter, and this is in 24K Gold. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Fenty Trophy Wipe highlight. But I'm going to take a tiny bit of that, like very little, and place that on my brow bone. Since I have this highlight out, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face as well, and a tiny bit because this is really pigmented. Now for lashes, I'm taking the Kiss lashes in Flirty. So don't mind the lash glue, it is still drying, but this is the completed eye look. And I know I say this about a lot of my looks, but I seriously love this look. Like, I think fall makeup is just my favorite. I love all like the warm wine, cranberry, gold shades. I think they're just so pretty. Also, my giveaway did end. I did announce that in the description bar of the giveaway video and also on my Instagram. And I have contacted the winner. So that is closed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized.